White House sources say that on Monday, President Obama will sign an executive order reversing restrictions on federal funding of embryonic stem cell research. Stem cells can be manipulated to become almost any cell in the body. Scientists believe that by turning them into cells damaged by injury or disease, they can treat or even cure everything from spinal cord injuries to Alzheimer's disease to diabetes.
That's why I'm a supporter of stem cell research.
During the presidential campaign, Mr. Obama repeatedly promised to reverse restrictions that had been imposed by President Bush.
Embryonic stem cell research is at the leading edge of a series of moral hazards.
Doing research on embryonic stem cells requires that human embryos be destroyed. Opponents equate that to abortion. President Bush limited federal funding to embryonic stem cell lines that had already been created. Today, supporters of embryonic research praised the president's decision, claiming that embryonic stem cells hold by far the most promise. The cells, they say, are leftover from fertility clinics and would be destroyed anyway.
We think it's hugely important to allow these embryos that otherwise would be thrown in the dumpster to help people who are suffering greatly.
Actor Michael J. Fox, who has Parkinson's, has been campaigning for embryonic stem cell research for years, as in this interview with Katie Couric in 2006.
We're not interested in being exhibitionists with our symptoms or asking for pity or anything else. We just resolved to get moving with this science. It's been a long time.
Late today, the Family Research Council, a leading anti-abortion group, released this statement arguing that, quote, taxpayers should not have to foot the bill for experiments that require the destruction of human life. A very emotional debate, and we can expect a lot of that after the president announces his decision next week. Katie?
Chip Reid at the White House tonight. Thank you, Chip.